Today, we'll be doing a spotlight on one of our clients' Molo strategies as we help them to develop their web application Molo Boost. The founders Laura Lee and Maude are based in Canada, specifically in Montreal, and have a background in marketing for early stage startups. Right? Essentially, they wanted to be able to build a platform to help startups rank organically online through the power of online reviews. If you'd like to learn about the process that our team followed to help them do just that, you can go ahead and check out the case study on our website. But without much further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into the interview. Why don't you just go ahead and introduce yourself and kind of your background and everything you've done professionally up to this point as well.
So yeah, we have marketing and consulting agencies. So our goal is to help startups to get started. So on the right foot with organic strategies for them to acquire more clients in the long run.
Awesome. Okay. And then how did that lead into developing Molo Boost? Like, what gave you the idea? How did that idea come to be?
With my business partner, since she had a background in sales, she was selling an app a little bit like Mo Boost, but we wanted to take the idea to the next step. So that's what we were looking for in developing Mo Boost.
Okay, got it. And why don't you give a quick kind of description of what the Molo Boost platform is, kind of what it's
Yes.
aiming at doing as well.
Yeah, so actually, MobileBoost is an online reputation management platform. So it helps you with your online reputation with the Google reviews, for example, because we know people always go on Google to search for a new business where when they want to test a new restaurant, for example. So the ranking on Google is really important there. So it can boost up your SEO too. So we know all of this. It's like a run for the first place on Google search engine. So that's the goal of MotoBoost is to help that growth and to get higher on the ranking.
And I know you and your partner as well, aren't engineers. Like, you're not software engineers, so
Yes.
there's a bit of a gap when it comes to having the idea and then getting it built out. Talk to us about some of the challenges that you faced. Obviously, having the idea and looking for either developers or teams to help build it out before coming to us on that type of things.
Exactly. So building a big app like that, it's not like all the developers that are able to and get what you have as an idea. And that was what brought us to Benmart. You were able to see the idea and like reformulate or say it in other words and to make it like come through by coding.
Okay. And then as far as the platform itself, I know a couple of things that we have currently, right? The reviews, right? So individuals who are able to have like a QR code or even a review link, they're able to scan and direct individuals to that platform. Right now, it's just primarily Google reviews, but I know you're speaking about potentially wanting to add Amazon in there as well. Give us some
Yes.
more background as to what kind of prompted that idea, and also kind of what the direction was like for expanding the platform onto other review platforms as well.
Yes, because following the same principles because I'm really into principles. So if principle works in a market, it should work in another one. So that's the example of the Google search. So to leave a review is to boost your SEO, but as well as to give a feedback to the business. So that's the goal with the Amazon review too. It's to get a through review from the customer without it affecting the online reputation. So that's the goal, and that way it can help the businesses to improve their products in the long run. So it's a customer service facilitator because we want the customer to be happy and have better products in the long run so they can become recurring customers.
Got it. And I guess help us describe. So obviously, you've been dealing with myself a lot of the time, and obviously the team is behind the scenes as well. But how would you describe kind of the collaboration and the communication between yourself, your partner, your team, and us at Benmore here as well?
I think I couldn't have asked for better communication. Like you and your team were almost available 24/7. So that's really interesting when you're working with a developer because you know you're investing into something in more than a project, not even just money, but you know that you have a good service. That's really important.
Love to hear that. And then I
Yeah.
guess what are the next steps with Molo Boost? I know getting the platform rolled out, getting more people on there. But of course, that's always the biggest thing.
Yes.
But I guess what on a feature side and a product side, and also on a strategy side, which I know
Yeah.
you're really big on. What are some of the next steps for Molo Boost here?
We are currently working on developing new features. So eventually, like all platform, we try to integrate AI. So it's coming soon enough. So Moloboost will be able to help all the businesses to improve their marketing strategies and help with the customer answering too.
Awesome. And then I guess wrapping up here, where can people find you? Obviously, we're going to link the Molo Boost website, but you have
Yeah.
social media, LinkedIn, Instagram is obviously big now. Where can people find you to connect?
Yeah, so everyone can follow us at on Instagram at Moloboost and at Molo Strategies because Molo Strategies develop Moloboost, and you can follow us too on Facebook and LinkedIn too.
Awesome, awesome. Oh, it's been a pleasure, Mode. Any closing remarks before we jump off?
No, thank you so much, TJ. It was really a pleasure working with you and your team. Looking for
Awesome.
more.
Yeah, looking forward to what we can do in 2025 as well.
Yes, thank you.